Okay, now we have our knuckle in place. So we have the control rods for the ignition switch. I'm going to tilt this thing up just a touch. You can see this groove right here. That groove is where this piece goes. Takes just a little bit of oomph to get it past that part. There, it's in the slots. So you see that? So that's your ignition switch. So note how our tang for ignition switch sticks straight up. Goes into that hole right there. Now it's all in place. And then we have our little bolts here. That little double-ended one. Remains to be seen if that's the correct hole, but we'll use it for the time being. And that's how the ignition works. Okay, so this is how the high beam lever goes into place, the control rod, down this little hole. Takes a little bit of doing. And there it's in place. So here's our high beam switch working.